It's an encounter that seems to transcend time. Just a 5 hours drive from Tanzania's second-largest city, Arusha, we met the Hadzabe people, a tribe that has maintained their culture for tens of thousands of years. They are Africa's last full-time hunter-gatherers. They wear baboon skins and speak language for which there is no written form. The Hadzabe are the only group in Tanzania still allowed to hunt in the wild. But in recent years, the hunt has grown harder.
During the dry season, we have to walk very far to find animals. Sometimes we can walk for miles and miles without finding anything.
The problem is not limited to the dry season. Climate change, deforestation, and illegal hunting mean there are fewer animals. Nana and his people haven't tracked prey for 3 days. A baobab tree at the entrance to their village provides food, but with just a few fruits on the branches, it won't last them long. The tourist trade could be one potential lifeline. Their dollars helps buy food, but even some tourists worry about the real price the Hadzabe are paying.
Yeah, I can take photo.
They should stay in the way they are used as long as possible. You know, they should be not influenced by tourists. I mean, by local people. That's just neighbors. You know, they have to be. But for tourism, it's always difficult to know. I don't think it's good.
Over the years, the Hadzabe have defied all attempts to change them. But now, there are changes. Hunting, dancing, making fire have become routine, a show for tourists. Some wonder whether the Hadzabe will follow the path of the Maasai, who've made their culture a tourist attraction. Nana says the Hadzabe culture will survive.
I am not worried about that. We can't leave our tradition, and there are many of us. We can join other Hadzabe villages, and it will pass on from one generation to another and continues forever.
But harsh living conditions and food insecurity are taking their toll. The average lifespan of these people is just 45 years, and there are maybe just 1,000 Hadzabe left. Sun Lan, CCTV.